Hi friends, in last video we have seen a if statement. Now in this video we have to write a if statement and we have to learn what is the if statement, because in this if is just you can write only the one condition here, but in if you can see here we can write the multiple conditions. Suppose you have taken one marks equals to 75, and if marks is greater than equals to 19, then this print A. And another condition, if you want to write another condition, then you have to write if. So here you can see if marks is greater than 75, then you can print the B grade. If marks is greater than 50, then print C, and else print fail. So what is the use of this elif statement? That is called as else if as well. So in elif you can write multiple conditions, because in any programming we can write a multiple condition. So we have to use in Python elif. So just check these conditions, write this multiple condition in Python. So let's see in our VS Code. So just create one another file here, that is the elif if.py. So you can check here, suppose marks equal to 75 as per our given example. Suppose here you can see marks is 75, and if marks is greater than 75, greater than 19, you can print the A grade, right? Just give colon here and you can print A grade, right? Here you can see this printing A, and if marks is greater than 75, then print the B. So for that you have to use the elif, right? Elif conditions. Elif write another conditions, marks is greater than 75, right? Marks is greater than equals to 75, greater than equals to 75, write colon and just print B here. And now write one another condition. You can write multiple conditions by using a elif. Elif if marks is greater than, here you can see marks is greater than 15, you can write the grade C. So remember this syntax and important of you can write a multiple condition here by using a elif statement, and after all the conditions and statement multiple conditions you can use a else statement and just enter and print fail. Now run this program and check. Just I am clearing previous terminal by entering the clear. Just run this program. So this printing is a B. Why? Because B. This marks is greater than equals to 75, right? And if I just suppose I change this mark as a 95, you can see the output. So this printing a grade A. So for writing this elif you can use the multiple condition. Suppose I am taking this in a input form from using user input. Just I am commenting this line by using a control plus slash. So marks equals to, I am taking this marks in a float. You write input functions and enter marks. enter marks. Now run the program. Suppose you have a enter mark as 65 and now check. So printing output is C, 5C, because mark is greater than equals to 15. So this will printing a C. Run again and check. Suppose I entered mark as a 78. So you can see the grade is A. Why? Because mark is greater than equals to 75. So this printing a B. So in ELIF you can use a multiple condition. So that's why this ELIF is so important. So that's all about the ELIF condition. User input example, just I taken this num equals to int input enter numbers. This is positive number, negative number, yields. So that's all about the we learn if statement, yield statement, and elif statement as well. So this is a conditional statement. So you can use this conditional statement. First we learn if condition, and you can use else conditions. So that's all about the conditional statement. So you can use properly the syntax, indentation, colon, and you can use input function and convert this input function number into the any float integer, because input function just take only the string. So we required some typecasting, and then you can use this multiple condition here. This is all about this if statement. So for multiple conditions you have to use the elif statements. That's all about the elif statement. Thank you for watching this video.